For 4 years, the Pro monitor market has been frozen in time. While the MacBook Pro got Liquid Retina, XDR, and 120Hz speeds, the most popular display in the world, the Apple Studio display, remains stuck in 2022. But as of February 2026, the silence has been broken. The leaks coming out of Cupertino aren't just about a new screen, they are about a total industry reckoning. Apple is about to launch the Studio Display 2, and it is going to make every other monitor on your desk look like a relic from the early 2000s. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a video editor, a photographer, or a developer sitting in front of a 5K screen right now, you need to listen very carefully. There is a reason why shipping times for the current Studio display have suddenly slipped to March. There is a reason why a mysterious device codenamed J527 has just appeared in the iOS 26 beta code. And most importantly, there is a reason why you should absolutely, under no circumstances, buy a monitor today. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to dismantle the Studio Display 2 mystery piece by piece. I have gathered the full list of specs from the supply chain in Taiwan, the leaked benchmarks for the A17 chip that lives inside the screen, and the truth about the Thunderbolt 5 revolution that is about to change how you connect your Mac forever. By the end of this video, you will know the exact price point that Apple is targeting to destroy Samsung and Dell, and the secret feature that finally brings the iPad Pro's best technology to your desktop. Let's start with the big one. The feature we've been begging for since 2022, promotion. For years, Apple told us that a 5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate couldn't live together without massive compromises. They were wrong. The February 2026 leaks confirmed that the Studio Display 2 is officially moving to a 120Hz promotion panel. Think about what that means for your workflow. No more choppy scrolling. No more ghosting when you're editing high frame rate video. Every movement of your cursor, every window you drag, and every frame of your timeline will be as smooth as silk. But Apple didn't just stop at 120 Hz. They are reportedly using a variable refresh rate that can drop down to as low as 24 Hz when you're watching movies or reading text, saving massive amounts of power and reducing heat. But it's not just about the speed. It's about the light. The original Studio display was beautiful, but it was a standard LCD with SDR. In a world of HDR content, it felt dated. The Studio Display 2 is finally bridging the gap. While it might not be a full Pro Display XDR, the leaks strongly suggest the inclusion of mini LED backlighting. We're talking about over 500 local dimming zones. This means blacks that are actually black, not dark gray. It means a peak brightness that jumps from 600 nits to a staggering 1,200 nits for HDR content. If you are a colorist or a HDR photographer, this is the first affordable Apple display that actually lets you see your work as it was intended. But there is a brain inside this monitor that is faster than the computer you were using 5 years ago. The current Studio display uses an A13 chip, the same one from the iPhone 11. But for the 2026 refresh, Apple is reportedly skipping 3 generations and dropping the A19 chip directly into the chassis. Why does a monitor need an A19 chip? 2 words: Apple Intelligence. In the February 2026 ecosystem, AI is everywhere.